XUCKY Electric is one of the most specialized manufacturers and exporters for modular electric terminal devices for household and similar installations in China. The wide range products under manufacturing covers miniature circuit breaker, residual current circuit breaker, residual current circuit breakers with overcurrent protection, switch-disconnector, distribution box, molded case circuit breaker, air circuit breaker. AC contactor, magnetic starter, motor protection circuit breaker, thermal relay and kilowatts per hour meter, vacuum circuit breaker, etc. The company takes the reputation as one of the largest exporters of electro-magnetic type RCCB and RCBO.OEM, or OEM projects are fully accepted. Currently the company is cooperating with a number of renowned international corporations for such projects. XUCKY is devoted to providing high-quality products by supplying products from superior manufacturers and providing first-rate customer service. We are committed to providing the global companies with superior quality circuit breaker products to help compete in today's marketplace. Our R&D team is focused on developing innovative circuit breaker technology to ensure our customers have access to the highest quality products. Our staff has more than 30 years of experience, provides personalized customer service every step of the way.